If you cannot save money no matter how hard you try, first off, I just want to let you know that you are not alone. People struggle with this all the time. It's not the fact that you're lazy or that you're bad with money. It's just the fact that the system is designed to keep you broke. That's why in today's video, I'm going to be telling you why you cannot save any money and what are we going to do to fix that. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're on the way to 30,000 subscribers. And further ado, man, let's get straight into the video, man. So first off, what is the harsh reality, right? Of course, you guys know the cycle. You know what I'm saying? You get your paycheck, right? You spend it on bills, you pay debt, and there's nothing absolutely left, right? First, I just want to let you guys know you are not alone. 78% of people in America go through this day-to-day process, living paycheck to paycheck. You are not alone, okay? So it's not the fact that you're bad with money or that you can't save money. It's just literally the fact this is how the system wants you to be able to live. First off, I'm going to tell you guys why you cannot save any money. First off, you have no tracking system, all right? Like, a lot of you are just countlessly spending, right? And today's society with inflation and things is crazy. So it's not really for you just to be spending. You guys got to start tracking your purchases, you know? And I'm a victim to this as well. You know, you grab your paycheck, you happy, you excited, you spending this, you spend a little bit on your girl. I get it. It's tough, no cap. Also, you know, the lifestyle and inflation is everything is going up. Sometimes you can be living but beyond your means and you won't even realize it. I get it. That's just how today's society is. But that might be another reason why you can't save. Also, you might just be relying on one source of income. Now, I know that it's tough to find different things to do in today's society, but trust me, it's a lot of different side hustles and a lot of great things that you guys can get into that can start getting you guys to better saving and help you guys save more. But trust me, we're going to get to that more later on in the video. Last but not least, another reason why you probably can't save because you think saving is restrictions. I just want you to let you guys know that that's not absolutely true, okay? Just because you save doesn't mean that you're restricting yourself. It's because you want to better yourself. You're looking at it for a better purpose, all right? So those are probably 4 reasons probably why you can't save. If I'm talking to you, make sure y'all put down, you hit it on the head, hit the nail on the head and down in the comment section, man. So that's why now I have the Save and Fix blueprint for you guys, okay? So what do I have for you guys today? First off, I want to challenge you guys. Take 30 days to track your everyday expenses. All right, you have to start tracking your expenses. I know it really seems like a cliche. It seems like, oh man, you know, I'm not broke, or I don't want to live like I'm broke. But hey, you want to save some money, right? You want to save some money, right? That's why you clicked on the video. All right, so take the 30-day challenge, track all your expenses, and I promise you're gonna see where the leaks in the hole is. Y'all gonna see the leaks in the crack. Okay. That's first off, first step right there. Second off, a lot of us Americans have a lot of subscriptions to a lot of different things. Like, I'm a victim of it all the time, dog. Like Amazon subscriptions, Netflix subscriptions, I'm on a lot of subscriptions where it's just taking money off my card. All right, track your subscriptions. You know, see what you really don't need. See what you actually need. What are you paying for that you don't even really use? All right, those are the things that you need to be going back and track. I know you got a couple things on your subscriptions, a couple like even takeout food, restaurant food, all those type of things. I really, we're trying to uncut unnecessary purchases. Okay, so go back, track your steps, track every dollar first, track every dollar, and then track your subscriptions, things that you're paying for, unnecessary things. And this is all right. We getting closer now. We finna start saving some bread real fast. Now, set up an auto transfer cycle. Right, all it takes is $25 a week. I want you guys to know $25 a week at the end of the year, that's $1,300. If you really want to go crazy, double it. $50, $1,600, $2,600. All right, cool. You know what I'm saying? Just let y'all know. With that being said, of course, it doesn't have to be $25, but that's all it takes. It's literally $20, $25, $50. It can change your life. You can come to the end of the year. If you really take it serious, you can have about 5 to 10 racks. No cap. Get a bank account. Use the automatic savings, and bam, you putting up little by little. All right. I think a lot of us in America, we really get the concept. What is $20? What is me saving $20, $25 gonna do for me? Trust me. A lot of you know that can do a lot for you. Like I always tell you, the Reese method. All right. Take out the base, leave the tax. Like I always say, if you get your paycheck at the end of the week and it's $678. You take out $600, you save the $78. All right, you stack it up every week. Bam. Just put y'all boys on or the 50 30 20 method, right? Your needs, your wants, your savings. All right, cool. That's just some couple little tips right there. Couple saving tips for you guys. Next up, you guys can also get a separate bank account that's out of sight, right? So basically, trick your mind. Basically, what you want to do is like that money that you would spend on the subscriptions, food, unnecessary purchases. Literally, get a separate bank account and act like you're doing it, right? The money that you spend on your food, put it in that bank account, like, and trick yourself like, okay, this is the money that I just spent on my food. Watch it add up over time, and you're gonna start to see like, damn, I really was spending $300 a month on takeout food. Am I talking to you though? Let's keep going. Next up, bro. All right, we gotta up that one source of income to at least two. All right, really, it should be three. The three I always like to say is you got your 9-to-5 job, you got your side hustle, and you start to freelance. Okay, so once you get that 9-to-5 job, it's gonna fund your side hustle, and your side hustle is what's gonna get you the freedom so you can start to freelance. Okay, so we gotta find another skill, right? YouTube content creation is a great way to. That's a great side hustle. Great way for your 9-to-5 to fund it. You know, I'm telling you, I'm putting y'all on some game, right? Telling y'all basically what I do. You know what I'm saying? DoorDash, Instacart, anything like that. You know, take that little side hustle money, bro, stash it to the side, bro. Literally, all it takes is $20 a week. You telling me, bro, you can't sign up for DoorDash and just that's literally one DoorDash order. Literally, bro. All it takes is $20 a week, dog. No cap. Y'all ain't too good to save $20 a week. Please tell me y'all ain't that good to save only $20 a week. Next up, bro, your mindset, bro. Your mindset has to shift. All right, it absolutely has to shift. That's why I wrote down this quote for you guys. Saving money isn't a punishment. It's buying your freedom. Every dollar saved is a soldier working for his future self. Woo! I don't think y'all heard me on that one. Y'all might need to go skip that 10 seconds and hear that one again, right? So don't think of just saving as like, oh, you're putting yourself on restrictions. Think of it, every dollar I save is a soldier working for his future self, right? What do soldiers do? Soldiers, they're working for themselves to get to a certain thing in the future, right? Think of it like that. That's how I think. Every dollar, every $20 bill I save, every $100 bill I save, every $1,000 I save, I'm like, bruh, I just saved myself an extra 40 hours to go put in at a dead end job that I'm set. That's how I think. And that's how I'm able to save so much money, because like I'm really thinking to myself like, bro, I just put up $1,000. I'm one step ahead to retirement. That's how you have to think. I'm sorry. That's how you gotta think, bro. Think of every dollar that you save is gonna benefit you in the future, right? We all want to retire at like what, 45, right? All right, then think like that. Think like that. Get that mindset. Shift that mindset. Don't think just because you saving that, oh, you're broke or you're restricting yourself from buying the thing that you want to buy. Think of it as the fact that it's gonna be for a better cause, right? It's in the mindset. It's not the fact that you can't save. It's the fact that in your mind don't want you to save. It's tricking you. You know what I'm saying? Get that mindset right, man. That's all I got for you guys for today's video. Just a simple, quick, short video. Drop down in the comment section, what is the hardest part about saving, right? And really be honest. And then I'm gonna reply to someone's comment in the best way I can to help you guys and give you guys a tip on how to save in that manner. So drop down in the comment section right now, what is the hardest part about saving money? And I'm gonna give you guys a tip. And remember, you know, it don't have to be a lot. You don't got to be perfect. All it literally starts with just $5 a day, right? Take $5 a day, save that up. If really take $5 out of your little stash and save it up, bro. Just toss it away. That's all it takes, bro. It don't take a lot. All right. You know what I'm saying? I feel like a lot of you guys, you overthink this thing. I get it. You know, you may not make a lot, but it's not about how much you make. It's about how much you can save. Remember that at the end of the day. Remember, I see y'all listening to the last video, right? Get rich slow get rich, stay rich forever, right? Get rich slow, stay rich forever. Remember that. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all want more financial videos like this for financial advice. Make sure y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? DM me. Like, comment, subscribe, all that, man. Without further ado, y'all know I love this shit. I know I'm gonna be back with more content. Hey,